Hey everybody, Scott here with Bolt It On. So I'm sure most of you have lit a chimney or a fire pit sometime in your life, but I've found some simple little tricks that I think will help you out. The first thing you want to do is cut your kindling to 12-inch little strips, and then we find that using a paper bag works the best if you put it under there. So then what you want to do is light the paper bag with a match or whatever you have. And then you want to place your kindling on there and let that get roaring, and then we'll show you the best way to add firewood. Okay, so now that our kindling's lit, we want to add 16 to 20 inches. We found that works best. And then you just want to feed it up through the chiminea. Stand them up in there, 2 or 3 to get it started, and let it start roaring. Okay, now that the wood's added, it starts roaring, and as you can tell, there's no smoke coming out the front. Smoke goes out the top. So like a normal fire pit, it's always in your face with the wind blowing. With our chimeneas, you don't have that issue. Also, you may want to consider yourself a pair of tongs or something like that to feed the wood through the chiminea.